Chrysler Town and Country check engine light diagnosis. So we can see that the engine oil light, that's the oil pressure light. It's coming on, and in the scanner we're reading 4.64 psi of oil pressure at idle. Just after the oil change at Jiffy Lube. Should be like 15 plus at least at idle. And in the oil filter housing, I opened the oil filter housing up. Figured maybe they put the filter in wrong or something, and found this chunk of O-ring inside of there, which shouldn't have been in there, but it's only part of an O-ring, so it's possible that other parts of that O-ring went down into the filter area and is blocking passageways in the engine somewhere. That would, if that's the case, that would require a complete engine tear down and inspection, which I don't do or willing to do here. Or they put an extremely cheap thin weight oil in this car. It's supposed to have 5W30 in it. Maybe they put 020 in it or something like that on accident. That's always a possibility. My only recommendation is dump the oil, put some proper 530 in it, and see how the oil pressure does